But nobody gonna make you change what you probably don't like anyway. But you don't, so you might as well be somebody who can make your face what you got in. Open up the gates where your heart is and just be yourself. Look on your face, I see you hiding the hate. You want to go out on a date, you want somebody to come bring the flowers, someone to talk to for hours, someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you I love you every day, someone to help you sleep.